My name is Logan Mummer. I'm a catcher from Lewisburg College, and I'm from Hanover, Pennsylvania.
Robert Lucido, catcher, Amherst College, Woodstock, Maryland.
My name is Robert Klingman. I'm a catcher. I go to Marshall University, and I live in Silver Spring, Maryland.
Walk-off hit in the district semifinals.
A home run I hit against Mount St. Joe.
When I hit my first home run.
Kyle Norman.
Danny O'Donnell.
I'm gonna have to say Danny.
Tiger.
Dragon.
I'd be a Tiger.
Be at the beach with my friends, probably.
Interning at the RNC like I am.
Swimming in an ocean somewhere.